Here is Learn English Up, where your English levels up.
Real-life English words you must know. Airport.
Hey, I'm Max. Today, I'll walk you through the airport step by step and teach you the English you actually need when you travel. So come with me. All right, first step, check-in. Some people check in online before they even arrive at the airport. They do it on the airline's website or app. Online check-in means you confirm your flight in advance and get a mobile boarding pass on your phone. It saves time and you can skip some lines at the airport. Today, I didn't do that, so I walk over to the check-in counter. The agent greets me and asks for my passport. Then she puts my suitcase on the scale to weigh my baggage. I watch the numbers go up. Please be under the limit. And yes, good news, no excess baggage. That means I don't have to pay extra and I can relax. If you check in online and still have a suitcase, you usually go to a backdrop. Backdrop is a separate counter where you only drop off your checked bag. No questions, no long wait, fast and easy. Since I checked in at the counter, the agent now prints my boarding pass. It has my name and my seat number. I take it, double-check the details, and move on. Next comes the security check. I join the line and get ready. I put my bag on the conveyor belt, take my phone and wallet out of my pockets, and place them in a tray. I walk through the scanner, wait a second. All clear. No problems. Let's move on. After security, I'm officially airside. Now I need to find my gate. I look up at the big screens and scan the list of flights. Flight number, destination, gate. Found it. I head there and take a seat. A little while later, boarding starts. Passengers are called by group number. Group 1 goes first, then Group 2. When they call my group, I stand up, show my boarding pass, and walk onto the plane. Boarding pass scanned. I'm going on the plane. Inside the cabin, I find my seat. I keep my carry-on with me. It's a small bag, so I lift it up and place it in the overhead bin above my seat. Perfect fit. I sit down, buckle my seatbelt, and get ready for takeoff. This flight has a layover. That means I don't fly straight to my final destination. I stop at another airport first, then catch my next flight. When I land, I have some time to wait. Perfect moment to grab a coffee, walk around a bit, and stretch my legs before boarding again. After the next flight, I finally arrive. New country. I follow the signs to passport control. I stand in line and wait my turn. The officer checks my passport, looks at my face, then adds a stamp. Welcome. Next stop, baggage claim. I walk into a big hall and find the right belt. I wait by the baggage carousel, watching suitcases go around and around. Then I see it, my suitcase. I grab it and head toward the exit. Final step, customs. An officer asks if I have anything to declare. Food, cash, expensive items? Nope. I walk through the green lane and just like that, I'm officially in. And that's the full airport journey, from check-in to customs. Now you know what happens at the airport and the English you need at every step of the way. If you want to learn English for other real-life topics too, like hotels, restaurants, or daily conversations, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really helps the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.